Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aramid FJ. We're going to take a look at a charging pad from PITAKA. It's the PITAKA Air Essential. You can see this at the PITAKA site. It's not on Amazon yet. I will put the link in the description for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, now as I mentioned, you can get this from the PITAKA site. It's the Air Essential charging pad. $71. It was $80. They knocked it down some, $71.10. Now this is the Obsidian black in the picture. Let me see what happens. So this is the silver one. This is the one I have right here. Actually, this one is $80.10. I'm not sure why they differ, but the crystal silver one is a little bit more. Now, its embedded chain coils allow you to drop your phone at any position and charge. A comfortable and sexy touch and great heat dissipation capability from genuine Aramid fiber and zinc alloy. That's what they. That's one of their big claims. The Aramid fiber is a good product. Supports 10 watt fast charging for Samsung phones and 7.5 watts charging for iPhones. Compatible with all Qi enabled devices, including AirPods. All right. Now I will put the link to the site for PITAKA. It's not in Amazon yet. Let's go ahead and get started. Now this is the box it comes in. PITAKA Air Essential. Got some information right there. It's the crystal silver one. Seamless technology experience on the back. QR code there. And so you got some instructions here on the back or a picture that kind of tells you a little bit more about the device. Universal compatibility, made from Aramid fiber and zinc. 10 watt position freely charged for Samsung phones or Android phones that can do it, and then iPhone 7.5 watts for iPhones. All right, let's pull this out of the box. Now they always have a nice presentation, nice felt cover inside there, nice packaging. And you got your USB. It's actually a USB Type-C charger. Yep, so it's USB Type-C. You can see that right there. So that's good, they did that. And here is the actual charging pad. Feels good right there. You got some instructions right here. Tells you how to use it. And this is what it looks like on the back. This is the bottom. You got rubber feet there, aluminum, stainless steel back. That looks pretty good. They did a good job building this. So it's not, and this is a nice looking a charging pad. Nice feel of carbon fiber right there, and it's soft. It feels good quality. And so this is something nice you can carry around with you. USB port right there where you put the charger in to, charge your devices, and you get that full charge that you might be able to charge more than one device. We'll see. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and hook this up and see what it looks like. See what it does. Let's go ahead and hook this up and see what it does. Okay. So here's the literature I talked about. See what comes. It says, thank you. Air Essential, a quick guide. VIP treatment there. You can scan that code and get some, earn some points there. Nothing else in there. Nothing else in the box. Okay, so I took the charging cord out. As you can see, it is USB-C. And you got a USB-A connector there. So not USB-C to USB-C, but pretty durable looking feeling cord. It's got good length as well. It's about 4 feet. 3 feet. So let's check it out. I'm gonna put this into this fast charger right here. And we're gonna plug this in right here. Where is the port there? Okay, right here. All right, so you got some animation right there that lets you know it's plugged in. It's got power. That's pretty cool. Now let's see if it picks up fast charging. Okay, so it picked it up pretty good. Charging wirelessly. Now it didn't say fast charging there. Okay. So charging wirelessly right there. Now let's see if this is gonna get 2 devices on there. All right. Did it pick up? It didn't pick up right there. Now they say you can set this anywhere. Maybe you can't do it that way. So it did pick up charging right there. Let's see what happens if I put this pixel on there. Okay, so it didn't charge both of them. So you couldn't do that. So, but it picks up pretty good when you put it long ways. It picks up easily, no problem there. Okay, so I noticed that when there's no phone on, this light is not blinking, and it lets you know the power. You got power. When you put a phone on it, it starts blinking. Now I suspect that once it gets fully charged, that light is going to stop blinking or either go off. Okay, so the wireless charger charges pretty well. As you can see, the light is a red light that came up after the device was fully charged. The white light is solid and the red light is solid, saying that it's fully charged. And let me see what happens when I put a phone that's not fully charged on the device and see what happens then. Okay, so you have the blinking white light there. This is charging right now. Let's put this back on and see what happens. This is fully charged. Okay, so the red light comes up, it's fully charged right there. All right, so that's going to be a notification. Now, this is a pretty good charger. It's big, and you can charge in different positions. When you do it this way, you're going to get your charge every time. You won't have to search for a spot to put the charger. You get it every time. Now, this way, you got to make sure that it's in the right spot, and it's going to be like close to the center. If it's on the edge, it's not going to pick up a charge. Okay, but normally you're going to put it this way. It's a guided design, so it's made for you to put your device this way. So you shouldn't be putting it this way anyway, but if you do, you want to put it in the middle. Okay, but otherwise, this is what you're going to do. Your guided design is going to get it every time. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the PITAKA Air Essential Fast Wireless Charger. It's a pretty good size wireless charger, nice looking, well built. I'm not sure this one is portable you want to carry with you, but put it inside your office or something. It's going to look nice. I'll put the link in the description for you. It's not on Amazon yet, but it's on PITAKA site. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.